it's your boy Jesse, and I'm back, y'all. I'm back with another one. All right, today I'm about to prank Whitney, y'all. Listen, my stomach been toe up for the last few days. Whitney knows it, and it's the perfect opportunity to get her, y'all. So I got this spray bottle right here. I'm gonna put some warm water in here. I'm gonna fart, and I'm gonna spray it on her leg while she laying down. It's freaking 8 o'clock in the morning, 7 o'clock in the morning. So she upstairs still sleeping. So I came down here, I'm eating some cereal so I can have some fuel to that fire, okay? I gotta have some fuel, because I gotta do like a, a real one, like a real fart. You know, it didn't spray her, so, to make this happen. Hey, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. Go ahead and share this video right now, y'all. Let's get to it. Oh, thank you for this food. That's this food. Oh yeah, it's gonna make it happen. It's gonna make it happen.
What the fuck was that, Jessie? Are you kidding me right now? Are you fucking kidding me? I'm not playing with you.
Use the tissue, babe. Use the tissue, babe. Use the tissue.
Why the fuck would you do that?
Oh, sorry. Use the tissue real quick. Hurry up. Come on, give me some tissue.
Why you do that, Jessie?
Come on, man. Hurry up. My freaking stomach. Oh, my goodness. That wasn't a fart. Oh, let's come, babe. Hurry up.
Got a fucking bathroom. What's wrong with you?
I can't move. Give me tissue. Hurry up, man. Give me tissue. Come on.
Look like that stink. Look like me I play with you. Oh, you have to come see me asleep and come poop on me and make it
Give me
wet.
some tissue.
Jesse, me not laugh. Me not laughing. What do you say, no?
Hurry up, babe. Can't go to baby wipes. Babe, come on. I need your help. My stomach is so up. Come on, can you use this real quick?
You don't feel when I fuck
I
with
can't
you.
move. I need to.
Now, nothing to do with me. You come in here and know say you're shitty and come fart for me and make you something squeeze out. What kind of water poop that, Jesse?
It's a shark.
So what why you doing for me?
I didn't try
You
to.
never
I
feel
thought it
the
was just
pop
a
up?
regular. I thought it was a
You
regular.
feel
fart.
it and come, you could have
It
turned
snuck
around.
up.
What?
It snuck up on me. Come on,
Jesse, from
babe.
yesterday you have poop up. You know say your belly don't feel good. Why you do that?
I need to clog it up. Come on.
That have nothing you try use your finger and
Look,
clog
I'm
it.
squeezing so tight right now.
Squeeze
Okay,
one
I
of the
need-
bathroom.
could you
Because
please-
I'm in a deep sleep and you fucking fart for me and make you something squirt for me. That is nastiness.
Come on. Could you hurry up? Because I got to freaking go to the bathroom. I can't move right now.
Jesse.
I got to clog it up.
Let me tell you some
Babe,
bumbo
I gotta clog it up.
pussy
Come on.
rascal here. That me I tell you no cause no know what I tell you no.
Goodness, bro. Could you get out of your move for 5 seconds?
Don't leave me alone.
Could you grab some tissue?
Leave me alone.
Some baby wipes.
Leave me alone.
We got poop all over the freaking thing. All over the freaking blanket. And don't you gotta go wipe shit? Go wipe off. Come on. We gotta wash these sheets.
you not see me that fucking sleep.
Hurry up. You gonna wipe you off first? Really?
Yeah. Am I shit or a fear shit? You come like I'm still in a fear shit and make you clean. You're bright.
Come on, man. That's not enough, man.
Leave me alone.
I gotta clog this up.
Leave me alone. You see me, the way you come in the fuck before you see me and see. Kind of nasty is that, Jessie.
Oh, my goodness. I gotta squeeze it. Can you open the door back for me?
If you ever fucking
Can you
way I
open
want
the door?
some
Come on. It's right there at the tip.
run go on. And I get
Come
up.
on, I need your help.
Just when I get up. You know, so I'm sleepy, I'm tired. And you come in here, come fat for me and wait me to sleep.
Why are you so irritated? Come on. Come on, man, help me. Really? So you gonna let me
Yes.
deal
Go
with
on
this
to the-
crap all by myself?
Yeah, go on to the bathroom by yourself.
Man, that's some bull crap, man. You gonna wash the blankets while I'm on the toilet?
So wait, you shit on the bed?
Didn't you feel it on you? Come on. Hey.
That shit on the bed, Jesse.
Yes, it is. You got tired? You that sleepy, you ain't feel it on you.
I feel it on my foot, but I don't see nothing on the bed. What is wrong with you? Like you shit up your one and self, you go to
nasty. You gonna sleep on the bed? When I just started?
I don't see nothing on the bed.
Oh, my stomach is so up.
Got the bathroom.
Can you give me some medicine? Can you grab me some medicine?
I not get up. I'm not getting up. Because I don't know what kind of style I can go away.
Hey, come on.
The medicine in the bathroom.
You know what? I think my stomach is trying to look better.
What?
I think it's feeling a little better now. After I let that out. Whew.
What a... Hey. How about that? Me
We
come
gotta,
back and
hold on, let me check that. Make sure you know,
Jessie.
no stains on my
Just
side.
say, why you know see you provoking?
Okay, here, just turn the sheets over real quick.
Turn over what?
Hit this side on your side. Let's just.
Let me tell you about
Hey,
it.
come on. We
Oh, you
gotta
want me
flip
to
the
put
sheets.
you say your shit on that? Why you want me to put it on my side?
Come on.
No, me and man.
You that tired right now?
Lock back the curtain when we get to sleep now. You not see here too bright.
Man, look at this. It's right here.
What? Now look at that there. Go wipe off it.
Oh, the rest of it dried up
Jesse,
quick.
lock back the curtain and let me get to sleep. Come to know what that you just do.
Oh. I pranked you. It was a prank. Boom. Camera on. How you like that one?
Leave me alone.
How you like that one?
Leave me alone.
Looking like an alien with that big old bonnet on.
Leave me alone.
Yeah, I got you good that time.
Move now.
I got you good. How you feeling?
Move. Leave me alone.
How you feeling?
Leave me alone, Jesse. Right now,
You
I'm
mad?
upset.
You
Yes,
mad
because
because
me
the
in
baby
my
has
deep
you up?
sleep and I jump out of my sleep and give me a headache. Leave me alone.
Where is spray on though?
What?
What is spray at?
On the bottom of my leg.
What you think would have happened?
I don't know because you shit up your puppy from yesterday and be a 40 or 40.
Oh man,
Leave me alone.
I got her though, y'all.
No.
All right, y'all.
Listen, I got her, y'all. All right, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Go ahead, right now. Go ahead and subscribe right now. If you ain't subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe right now. If you already subscribed, hey, I appreciate you, dog, for sure. I appreciate you all who already subscribe. I love the support and love all that, all right? But we're gonna let her go back to sleep. The baby kept her up all night, so she's still sleeping right now. So, all right, y'all. Y'all be smooth. Until next time. Yeah.